This video is brought to you by paidadvertisinghelp.com. Hey everybody, Stuart McAdam here, and in today's video I'm going to give you a super simple overview of the new Google interface design here in Google Ads. Previously, you'll remember that a lot of the important tools and features were available in the top right hand menu. This has now shifted over to the left hand section where my mouse is hovering right over now, and I'm going to give you a super simple overview of where you need to go to find the things that were previously up in the right hand menu bar. So let's jump in. The first thing is in the Insights and Reports section. If you click down, you can see some of the insights, auction insights, where and when the ads showed, landing pages, report editor, dashboards. Super simple, super easy. Insights obviously gives you a bit of a look into some of the important metrics which are associated with your ads. So if we go in here, we can see that in the set period of time for the last 7 days, these are the insights that we need to be aware of. If we want to have a look at when and where the ads showed, we can see the time and day in which the ads are showing up. Again, super important if you are a business that runs during particular hours or has interest in finding when the engagement is the best for your particular ads. So for my content here, it looks like the best engagement time is 11 p.m. to 12 a.m. on a Sunday and 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. on a Sunday, which is fantastic. If we go over to the landing pages, that's basically where people go to when they engage with one of your ads. And then you've got the report editor and dashboards. Now, the most important part for a lot of you is for obviously setting up the campaigns and knowing where everything is. That is in the campaign section here, where we can see the campaigns which we are running. We can see the ad groups, we can see the ads and experiments and campaign groups that are set up as well. So if you want to find all of your ads or campaigns and ad groups, we just want to click on the campaign section right over here. We come down to the next section, which is the assets and the videos. Now, it's important to remember that the assets are the text, headlines, and descriptions, and it's also some other things as well, such as images if you have them available. We also see the phone numbers, structured snippets, and site link extensions as well. And then we have the video sections right underneath that too. If we come down to another important section, which is the audiences, keywords, and content section, we can find our target audiences, the locations which they are in, the content, the ad schedule, which has been set up, and the advanced bid adjustments as well. Now, that may seem like quite a lot, but remember that was previously up in the top right hand menu bar and it has simply been shifted over to the left hand menu bar. Now, you may be asking, where the heck has the Google Ads Keyword Planner gone? Well, bear with me, friends. It's right over here in the Tools section. If we click on the Tools section, we will now see a new menu appear here, and that gives us the Keyword Planner, the Performance and Reach Planner, as well as the shared library as well, which allows us to edit the brand lists and exclusion lists. We can also get assistance with troubleshooting any ads. We can also have a look at the budgets and bidding, which are in the different setups as well, such as shared budgets. So say you have 2 campaigns and each campaign has a shared budget of, say, $20 a day. This is where you can find it. If we exit out of that and we go to the admin section, we can see the account settings, preferences, notifications, access, and security. So if you're wanting to grant someone permission to use your Google Ads Manager, the access and security is the place to go. And for the account settings, if you are wanting to set up negative keywords which can be applied to Performance Max campaigns, for example, account settings is where you want to be. And then, of course, we've got the billing section as well, where you can see the billing which is done, the documents if you need them for tax purposes, the payment methods, so your credit card or other information being used, as well as any promotions, and if you want to verify your account as well. So guess what? That's all there is to it with the new Google Ads interface. Nice and simple, easy to find all of the new things. If you have any questions about where other things are, just leave a comment down below and I'll aim to answer your question as soon as I can. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Have a wonderful day, everybody.